Why don't you just let go and quiet down your ego? Don't complain about finance. I know your daddy wasn't a real man. Go ahead and live your dreams. To me, you're stronger than a...
Hello, my gingerbread and Jellybeans. Welcome back to the episode of JVLOGS. Today I'm really excited to tell you that my t-shirt is finally here. No, it's called a That You Pick t-shirt, and you can find it in the description. You can find it down there in the comments. I'm going to leave it in the comments. You guys are going to be able to see it. You can purchase this shirt at teespring.com/a-u-pick. So you can get a shirt there to purchase to support me. The profits from this t-shirt is going to go to buying a new camera. I know I created a GoFundMe, but I didn't get support from the GoFundMe. So I'm selling t-shirt, I'm selling apparel, so I can be able to buy the new cameras and other stuff for the channel. But now what I'll be doing is giving away 2 of these shirts to 2 lucky winners. So I'll be having an online selection where I put the names in the online system and then it pick. So I'll be giving away 1 t-shirt to a Jellybean and 1 t-shirt to a gingerbread. So how you can enter this competition, down in the comment below, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment telling me why you like the channel or why you're here, why you support me. For the persons that I know that always continuously comment and watch my video, I look out for you guys as well. However, this is an automated system. They will pick the winner of this competition. So you'll be getting a t-shirt with this on it, That You Pick. It's a Jamaican slang, it's a Jamaican saying. For the Jamaicans who know the lingo, you will understand what it means. It's just a nice, slang, That You Pick. It's like, is that what you pick? Or in English, but Jamaicans understand it. So it's really catchy. I think it's really nice. The t-shirts are nice, quality is good as well. So you get quality for money. I made a first t-shirt using Teesprings called JVLOGS. That never went anywhere. People never really like it, but people seem to like this, and my friends have ordered one already, so I really appreciate Shani for that. Big up yourself. Also, if you buy the shirt and you have the shirt, take a picture and send it to me via Instagram, Facebook, my Facebook group page. Send it to me, inbox me, send it to me, and you will be up on my Instagram and YouTube, because I'll be posting it and showing the people that support me and actually buy me. I'm promoting you guys. So take a nice, fancy, clean pictures and send them to me in the shirt that you pick, whichever color you want. Anything at all. We have hoodies, we have t-shirt, we have t-shirt for women as well. And yeah, I'll post it, so I say thanks for all the support. Thank you guys very, very much. This is a good cause. I'm trying to raise some money to get a camera and other stuff. So go ahead, support Get a Youth. I really appreciate it. So remember the competition, comment, why you like the channel, why you're here, subscribe, like, share, and you'll be entered into the raffle, and I'll definitely do it. Also, pick the color t-shirt that you want in the comments, and yeah, you'll be getting one. So I'll let you guys know the winner in about a week time. Yeah, 1 week time, I'll let you guys know the winners of this competition. So thank you again for watching. Good luck to you guys. Hope you guys. So there you go again. That's a t-shirt right here. Flexing on them. Flexing on them. Flexing on them. Flexing on them. So That You Pick. Alright.